Wind farm maintenance and inspection often face one major problem: communication. Most wind farms are located in remote mountain areas where mobile phone signals are weak or unavailable. So maintenance teams rely heavily on two-way radios, but traditional radios only cover around 3 to 5 kilometers. For large wind farms, that's simply not enough. So how do you solve it? Building cellular coverage in mountain areas? Too expensive and unrealistic. Using satellite phones? High cost, limited usability inside wind turbine cabins, and not suitable for daily coordination. Deploying a full radio trunking network. Again, too much investment for a small maintenance team. So the project adopted a low-cost radio over IP interoperability solution. We deployed RoIP gateways at 3 different locations across the wind farm. Each gateway connects to a mobile radio, while the wind farm's existing fiber network links everything back to the control center. At the control center, a dispatching system manages all radio and communication terminals. This enables radio communication across different areas of the wind farm, direct calls between IP phones and field radios, interconnection between office phones, mobile phones, and radio users. A practical and cost-effective solution for large-scale wind farm communication and maintenance.